to my guest house. I've been walking a little while. It is fall now, and as you can see, the leaves are all over the driveway. Today I'm gonna be doing a tour of my guest house. So my guest house is on my property. You know, I have quite a bit of acreage here, and it's about 1/3 of a mile from this main house. And so I was renting it for the past, you know, the tenants that just moved out. They've been there for about 8 or 9 years, and so they just moved out. And I'm thinking, do I want to rent out my guest house again, or do I want to just go ahead and use it as a closet, because I'm running out of closet space. I have about 3,000 or so square feet of closet space in this house, and it's totally jam-packed. You know, you all have been asking for my closet tour. I've got to get it organized first before I can do a closet tour. My 4th floor is my office and my closets, and you know, clothes and shoes and hats and bags and everything are everywhere. So I don't know, do you guys think I should use my guest house as an extra closet space and as a studio for my YouTube? It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 car garage, open living, kitchen, dining room area. I'm gonna take you guys on the tour. So in a minute, but before that, I'm gonna showcase this outfit, okay? Is this fabulous or what? This is all Sequin. I am gonna insert a picture of the Balmain, you know, 2000 and I can't even remember the year. I'll show you guys, because I've had this for a while. I'll show you guys the picture. I mean, this is just splendid. I have not yet had the opportunity to wear it. If we were going for lectures, I'll probably wear it for lectures, but because we are still, you know, lecturing from home, quarantining because of COVID, I can't wear it anywhere. But anyway, I can show it to you all, and so that is what I'm gonna do before we go ahead and do a tour of my guest house. So let's talk about the outfit, and I am styling it with Sequin thigh-high boots, okay, that match, and Sequin beret, which I'm gonna remove midway during the modeling, and these huge sunglasses. Sort of gives it a certain je ne sais quoi. Don't you agree? It's very ulala, very international, Parisian, if you talk about the beret. But anyway, so let's talk about the outfit and the comfort of the outfit. It's very, very warm for winter, and it has the padded shoulders, which is in style, which is sort of like the 80s style. I like it. It gives a power woman look, if you know what I mean. And so it is fabulously elegant. And so I'll do a quick showcasing, modeling it for you all before we go ahead and go over to my guest house. And y'all can let me know what you want me to do with the guest house, whether I should rent it out again or whether I should use it as my YouTube studio. I was thinking about having a log house on my lake property, vacation home, you know, but you know, driving there to do YouTube is just too much. I drive there for relaxation. But anyway, so let's go ahead and do the Fashionista Professor showcasing of this outfit. And before that, one thing, it is very comfortable. It is warm today. It has the sun out, so it's a little bit warm, and it's bulky. If you ask me, it is like a power suit. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the showcasing of this outfit, and maybe I'll go ahead and pick out the beret. Okay? was quite a walk. I am now going past the tennis court and the basketball court and going to the guest house. If you can see under that big tree, you can see the tire. can see the tire now. I'm gonna go ahead and go up the stairs. I have to have my contractors go ahead and paint and you know, make it look brand new, but that'll be later. I left the windows open to get fresh air. And so this is the living room area, that's the kitchen area, and this is the dining area. And there is a deck out there that looks out to my forest. And then it has the laundry room and the stairs to the bedroom downstairs and the 2-car garage. And this is the master bedroom. I don't have the lights on. Let me turn the lights on. And this is the master bedroom closet. And this is the bathroom, one of the bathrooms. And then you come out to the main bedroom and you look out to the tennis court, you look out to my tennis court and the basketball court. And then you walk out from the bedroom through the dining room and living room. And all the floors are wood, because I love wood. And this is the next bedroom, and it also has French doors that look out to the tennis court. And that's the closet for this bedroom, and that for this bedroom. It needs to be. I don't know whether I feel like going downstairs, but let's go downstairs real quick. Okay, so we're going downstairs. They had a door here, and then it has the terrazzo flooring, and then the tenant puts the rug over it, and so it looks out there. And this leads to the garage. Okay, with shelves and stuff like that, and the little storage place. So that's it for the tour of the guest house. And these are like antique wood that I had the contractor put on the stairs. I really love them. And the same on top. I guess the tenants wanted to paint it white. And I think they actually had carpet on it, which they removed. Well, I like the wooden floors. And I love this island with the black top. It's all cherry wood. The counters are all cherry. And so that's it for the tour. So let me know if you think I should be using this for my vlogging place. I don't know, it'll be different. Yeah, let me know what you think, or maybe I should go ahead and rent it. So that's it for the tour. Ciao. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the Fashionista Professor showcasing of this outfit. This is in lieu of my Thursday conversation with the Fashionista Professor. So in lieu of the Thursday conversation with Fashionista Professor, I decided to model this for you all and to showcase my guest house that has just been vacated by the tenant to you all. So comment down below and let me know what you think of it. And comment down below and let me know what you think of this outfit. And comment down below and let me know whether you prefer with the beret or without the beret. And comment down below and let me know that I should use my guest house as my YouTube studio. So till next time that I upload another vlog, thank you so much for watching. You all continue to stay safe, you all continue to social distance, and you all continue to find your happy place. And to those of few subscribers and those viewers that watch my channel and are very supportive and have supportive words, thank you very much. I appreciate it, and I look forward to uploading so many more fabulous vlogs for you all. So till next time, thank you for watching. Kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Yes, yeah.